Hi, I'm Ian, and we're going to take a look at the AWR 290dB wine cooler from New Air.
Number
First thing
1.
you should know about are the
New Air
dimensions.
Slim,
The unit
dual
is
zone wine
14.8
fridge.
inches wide, 33.9
Add a
inches
wine
tall,
cellar to
and
almost any room with
22.4
this
inches
compact
deep.
dual zone
It's
wine
designed
fridge
that
from
way to
New
be the
Air.
same size
At
as a
15
kitchen
inches
trash
wide,
compactor,
it has a
easily
small
switchable.
footprint and can be
The
used as
AWR
either a built-in or
290dB is a
freestanding
modern
unit.
update that fits
The
nicely
interior
into
is
space.
designed to hold up
Pretty
to
easy switch
29
for the people
bottles,
at the side.
14
Yeah,
bottles in the
compactor
top
was
zone
given
and
its
15
time,
in the
but
bottom.
it's time to live a little
Newer
faster.
recommends this
The unit
unit
is
for both
33.9
residential and
inches tall,
commercial
fit
use
right under
since
your
it's both
countertop.
reliable
It
and
has a
attractive.
front venting compressor, so it
Moreover,
doesn't need
at
to
just
have
39
ventilation.
decibels,
But it
it's
can also be
quiet.
freestanding. You can
The
set it up in
triple
your
insulated
dining room
glass
or your
door
bar
keeps
room.
the LED lit interior
It
insulated
has
and protected
easy-to-use
from
digital
UV
controls
rays.
and a
Sliding
display
beach
that's easy to
doors
read.
won't damage the
It has a
exterior of
29
the
bottle
bottles and
holding
complement
capacity
its stainless
and dual
steel
zones for
exterior.
keeping your red
It
and white
includes
wine
extra perks such as a lock and an
Also, you
interior
can
water
adjust the
container
shelves
to
for larger
maintain
bottles
humidity
like
and
champagne.
prevent dry corks.
It has thick insulation, a double pane
For
glass
current
door
price,
that's
please check the
reversible.
links
You
in
can
the
set it up to
description
open either
box.
way. And there's a security
Number
lock if you
2.
have little kids or want to keep
Feistina,
unwanted
dual
customers.
zone wine fridge.
Thanks for taking a
Wine
look with me at
collecting is an
the
expensive
AWR
hobby,
290dB
but
wine
storing
cooler.
the bottles
Modern
doesn't have to
upgrade.
break the bank. The Feistina
At
16-inch
New Air,
dual zone wine
trust
cooler fridge
is
comes at a
important to
modest
us.
price.
We test each
Measuring
product line before we put it on the
15.55
market
inches
to
wide,
make sure
this
it's
quiet,
reliable.
freestanding
We have
unit
a
is
world-class,
compact, making it an
dependable,
ideal
dedicated
option for
customer
kitchens,
service team.
dining
So
rooms,
your
or
calls and
hobby
emails
spaces.
go to real
Despite
people.
its slim
And we've
profile,
been doing
it
this
stores
since
up to 33
2002.
standard
So
bottles
we
of
built a
wine.
reputation
Its
as
efficient
one of the best
compressor-based
customer
cooling
review
system creates an upper
companies
zone that stores
online.
wines
That's why New
between
Air
40 to
is a
50
name
degrees
you can
Fahrenheit
trust.
and from 50 to 66 degrees Fahrenheit in the bottom zone. The removable beechwood shelves are attractive and provide flexibility to store various bottle sizes. It features LED lighting and one-touch controls. For current price, please check the links in the description box. Number 3. Calamera, dual zone wine fridge. With a 46 bottle capacity, the Calamera 24-inch 46 bottle dual zone wine cooler is an excellent choice for those who need more storage room. At 24 inches wide, this fridge is not too much wider than the smaller wine fridges on this list, but it almost doubles in capacity. Moreover, its front ventilation system allows it to be freestanding or built-in. Other comfort and design features on this unit include a stainless steel trimmed, UV protective, and reversible glass door, removable wood racks, and soft blue LED lighting. A built-in carbon filter creates a barrier against odors and a safety lock wards against unauthorized access. It also has a temperature memory function. After a power outage, the wine fridge will remember its last settings. For current price, please check the links in the description box. Number 4. NutriChef, dual zone wine fridge. A countertop wine fridge is ideal for those who want to add wine storage without sacrificing floor space. On the countertop, the fridge is easier to access than on the floor since there's no need to bend down to grab a bottle. The compact NutriChef wine cooler holds up to 18 bottles, with a 6-bottle top section and 12-bottle lower section. The compressor-based system can maintain wines between 41 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit. Contoured polished chrome racks keep wine bottles in place, and a tall bottom shelf allows bottles to stand, whether for displaying or storing open bottles. This fridge features easy-to-access touchscreen controls on the exterior. For current price, please check the links in the description box. Number 5. Coolatron, dual zone wine fridge. For current price, please check the links in the description box. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.